Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now, this kind of strange one. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be locking the bootloader on the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. So this is an old ass phone, but the reason I'm making this video is because, usually it's fairly straightforward to lock the bootloader. However, on this phone, for some reason, it's fairly difficult. Well, it's fairly fine once you actually, gather all the resources, but before that, it's, fairly tricky. So I have zipped up everything that you're going to need. So if you head over to my Telegram group, go over to the pinned messages, click on them, and then you'll see Motorola blah blah blah. So just download this 1 GB file. And then once you extract it, you will have 3 different things. You'll have a README, you'll have a driver, and you'll have a flash folder. Now the first thing what you want to do is you want to install this fastboot driver. So just double click on this not virus executable, install it nicely, and then you want to head over to the flash folder and you want to right click and then open with terminal or CMD or whatever, and so you should be inside here. So if you do dir or pwd, you should see that let me zoom in here nicely for you boys. You should see that it's, you're inside the flash folder nicely. And if you type in dir, it'll show you all of the files here as well. So first thing what you want to do is you want to reboot the phone into the bootloader. So to do that, you want to hold down the volume down key and the power button at the same time and keep holding them until you're in this thing here. And for you at the bottom, if you can see, let me actually go into this view here. Can you see that shit? I probably can't, but anyway, over here at the bottom it says OEM locked for me because I already did this procedure, but for you it will say unlock, flashing allowed or unlocking allowed or something like that. So then what you want to do is you want to grab a USB cable, plug it into your PC and plug it into your phone like so. And then if you installed the fastboot driver properly, you should be able to do fastboot exe devices. And then you should see your device here like so. If you don't see anything, just install this driver again and restart your PC and that should work. But anyway, so there's kind of a two-step process. So the first step is you want to run this file lock2bat. So what this does is it flashes most of the stuff and tries to lock the bootloader. And then what you want to do is you want to lock to part 2 after that. So this does fairly the same thing, except it flashes the firmware fully and then just kind of clears up a bunch of stuff and then reboots the phone. So to do that, all you need to do is just type in this and then lock2bat and then press enter. And I'm just going to disconnect my phone here because I don't want to, run it again. But once you press enter, it will go through the whole script and it will take a while, like maybe 5 minutes or so. And then after, when it's done, if it completes it correctly, the phone should auto reboot. If it doesn't, it will say something like you need to flash boot image again or something like that. So then what you want to do is just run the script again until the phone automatically reboots. And then once the phone reboots, what you want to do is you want to just force shut it down. So just hold the power button until the phone shuts down. then go back into this mode by holding down the power button, the volume down key. And now, so same thing again, and then you just want to run, the lock to part 2. So just press enter there, and then that will flash the phone fully. And after it flashes completely, it will automatically reboot the phone no matter what, because at the end here, you reboot it, and then your phone should be fully locked, and you won't see, the warning saying that your phone is unlocked, booting in 5 seconds and stuff like that. So that'll get rid of that issue there. Well, not issue, but just get rid of that message. So yeah, that's kind of it, really. That's all you need to do to lock it. So, it's not too bad once you have all the resources. So yeah, also this will be flashing the latest firmware. So you won't be, getting any OTAs. Since this phone is old as fuck now. But yeah, pretty interesting stuff. The reason I'm actually doing this is because I'm planning on trading this phone in for some other new phones, so they give you like a fairly decent discount when you just send in some random ass phones. So that's why I'm doing that. Yeah, but just in case any of you guys have this phone lying around for some reason and you want to lock the bootloader, this is how you do it. So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and I'll see you next episode. Bye bye.